Hello, my name is Rob Stefanosson. I wanted to take a few moments in this video to show you how to use my new iPad app. This app is called Gamba and will give you a really interesting look at two of the largest and most famous pipe organs in the world, the first being the organ in the historic Salt Lake Tabernacle, and the other being the organ in the conference center across the street from the Tabernacle. This app has features that make it especially useful for anyone who plays on either of these organs, but any organist or organ enthusiast may enjoy getting such a detailed look at the specifications and layouts of these organs. This is the screen you see when you start Gamba. I'm going to go ahead and choose one of these organs. I'll choose the Tabernacle organ. What you see here is a list of memory levels. I've included some sample data that comes with the application so that you can see some of my settings and how I use this application, and hopefully you'll find that helpful. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new one. I'll call it my new memory level. Generally right here I'll put the actual numeric memory level that I've got these registrations stored on the actual organ. You can put something there if you'd like, you don't have to. I'm not going to keep this one around since I've got all this example data. So to delete something, just select it, click delete, and confirm it in the alert right there. Okay, let's take a look at this memory level. Go ahead and tap on an entry and click View Presets. Each one of these rectangles here corresponds to a preset on the organ, so either a thumb piston or a toe stud. As you can see on this memory level, I have my own arrangement of Scarborough Fair and my own arrangement of Come Come Ye Saints registered here. So before diving into those, I want to show you how to start from scratch. So click on one that's not used, 15, and then click on Register. Okay, so what you see here are blank stop jams. This is the left stop jam. To get to the right, you just use this control right here to select stops. You can either tap on them, or you can tap and drag your finger. Probably wouldn't do this, but just for demonstration purposes. So I've got something registered here. I'll go ahead and do something on the right stop jam as well. If I hit save, I'll call this full swell and positive. And I can add comments. So now that's been saved, if you look at that again, you see that what we registered is there. I'm going to cancel. I'll go ahead and clear that out since I don't think that's a very useful registration. Let's look at something that I've already got right here. This will demonstrate the additive and subtractive registration feature of this app. So what I've done here is I've selected a base registration. I'll show you how that works. So if I clear this out and then go to General 8 is what it was at, I can now set kind of a starting point, and this is the registration that I'm going to build off of. So I select it there, and then from then on out, any stops that I add will be green, and any stops that I take away will be red. If I hit revert, I can see what I had when I started. And to back out, we just hit cancel. So there you've seen how the registration works. One of the coolest features in this app is the ability to email PDFs so that you can print them or share them or whatever. So to do that, you click on this button, and it's telling me I need to select one or more presets. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to send, or I'm going to generate a PDF with all my registrations for this piece. So I'll tap Done here. It takes a minute to generate this PDF. Now, since I'm in the iOS simulator, I can't actually email it out, but it's attached it to this email address, and I can type in an email address here and hit send. What you're going to end up getting in your inbox is a PDF that looks like this. This is the organ, preset, and name of your registration. Any comments that you wrote down for registration will show up here. And these are all the presets for my arrangement of Come Come Ye Saints. Here's the registration that demonstrated the additive and subtractive registering. Alright, I think that pretty much wraps it up. I hope you found this video helpful, and happy registering.